that's right. I've been doing my...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I'm about to get y'all all the way together in this video and myself in the process. Now, I've been wearing my hair in an updo, so don't mind the current state, but I am serving all the goods today. The unit that I'm going to show you all is from Iseehair, and I've used their hair a number of times, but their packaging this time around, I was so impressed. It was given luxury. And I do have a discount code in the description box, so I'll be sure to check that out. They're also having a pre-Black Friday sale currently, so you don't want to miss it. And y'all, this wig came with a cute bonnet. It also came with a robe. When I saw it, I had to immediately take off the one I had on and switch it for this one. Now, I'm not sure if these come automatically as gifts or not, but I would definitely check their website because this matching set is everything. Now let's get into this wig, y'all. This is a type 4C hairline Mongolian kinky curly unit in length 22. And get into this hairline, y'all. These edges look like my type 4 edges, and I love that for me. I also love that for you because I know it's such a challenge for us 4C girls to really find wigs that complement our kinky texture. So I'm so happy that brands are now creating wigs like these. And I wish y'all could feel right out of the package how soft this hair is. It literally felt like butter. Now, before we get into the wig install, let's get into my natural hair wig prep. Now, as I told you guys, I've been wearing my hair up, so we need to take this band off. And I'm a lazy natural, as I've told you guys a number of times, so I will not be doing cornrows or even plaits this time. I'm just going to put my hair into 2 ponytails and then twist it up, band it, and then try to make sure it's as flat as possible so that I can begin installing the unit. And before I start playing music, I do want to share that this hair milk, wow, it's so good. When I tell y'all it moisturizes and hydrates my hair like no other, I'd highly recommend. So I just showed you all how I originally set my hair, but I had to go back and fix it because it wasn't flat enough. So I'm going to try the unit on and then take it off and try it again. And it actually worked after I banded it in the back. So now it's time to try this wig on, and y'all already know I could not wait. And the moment I got it on, I knew it was going to be a hit. I knew it was going to be fire once we finished. And don't be alarmed by the 2 different textures. Once you actually melt the lace, and I'm going to show you all the process, you can make it blend and look like it matches and like it grew out of your scalp. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, but they also offer this in a closure as well. And this is HG lace, so it's moldable, it's going to be very durable, and it's going to be scalp-like. So right now I'm going to show you all the unit on a mannequin head so that you can get a better view of how awesome this unit is. And then we're going to proceed to tint the lace, and then I'll come back on.
Man, we about to make. Man, it's time to make history. Yeah. Hey, man, it's time to make history. All of your talking, making no sense to me. Been talking with God, ain't even at odds, I'm welcoming victory. Me and my dogs are walking in love, but still we made enemies. But it's time to make history, y'all. Yeah, it's time to make history. Why you shaking looking finicky? Why you talking like your friend of me?
All right, y'all, so now it's time to install the unit. But before we do that, I am going to do something that I never do, which is to not wash the wig. But I'm going to show you guys an alternative method, which actually eliminates the wait time of having to allow your hair to air dry overnight. So you can actually wear your hair same day and it look absolutely phenomenal. Now, I've been wearing a middle part quite often with my curly hair, so I decided to try a side part for this style. And what I love about a side part is that it's so convenient in that you don't even have to make sure that your hair under is actually flat and it'll still look natural. So for this method, I'm going to start by using a spray bottle to spritz the hair with water. And then once it's somewhat saturated, I'm going to apply some mousse. And I am going to be using the Lotta Body mousse. And y'all, this created a great deal of shine and additional softness to the hair. So I'd highly recommend doing this. I'm going to define the curls with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And then in a moment, I'm going to coil the ends around my finger. And you all are going to see that it turned out so well. I'm also going to shape the hair during the process. So let's get into it.
Take it right back to the basics. If you want something that's classy, tell them all you gotta do is ask me. Yeah, places. Feeling like 100 blue faces. Put a bow tie on the laces. Now throw a good foot in it. Can I get a witness? Fresh like a new pair of linens. Bought a new crib with a tenant. Now they want a piece of the business. I'm sipping my tea with a lemon. Roll down the window, play this on repeat. Whipping your neck when we cruising the street. Like what you see, but it's hard to believe. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. attraction. You can spread and tell it to the masses. Candy-coated colors through the glasses. Lights, camera, action. Everybody checking for the fashion. Photo framing every day is magic. Rubber necking, flexing in the traffic. I had to make them look back. So animated. Throwing my cap, I graduated. Keep your drip, I'm saturated. But I'm still glad you made it. Ha! Roll down your window, play this on repeat. Whipping your neck when we cruise in the street. Like what you see, but it's hard to believe. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. I feel so good, you got to believe me. The way I move, I make it look easy. Yeah, yeah. Hey, make it look easy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make it look easy.
After defining the curls on both sides, I decided to take it off in order to define them in the back. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer in order to diffuse the hair, which will speed up the drying time.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I deserve it, I used to crawl, but now I'm walking in purpose, Now every move I make don't scratch the surface, But look at me now, mama, she proud. She was around when nobody else was around. How do you like me now? Oh, I had to play a humble pie. Life can really just humble guys. Sky's the limit, don't look surprised. Life's for living, so look alive. Everything that I want, I gotta go get it. Cause I could be gone in a minute.
Y'all, this already looks so great, and I haven't even cut the lace off yet. I was gonna try to cut the lace off while it was still on my head, but then I realized I wanna keep my own edges, so I took it off. I don't know how girls do it with it on their head. I feel like that is a skill.
And now I've been working so hard, so now I'm living. I deserve it. Life when no was clever, now I see the picture perfect. Flying in the air, I don't deserve them, but I earned it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do it? I seen ya. All the years of grinding, it's just time and I deserve it.
I'm not gonna lie, at this point, I was still quite nervous about the edges because the textures look so different. What was also messing me up is some of the lace tint was still on the edges, so I had to wipe that off. And then I proceeded to just try to reprogram my mind and think about my edges and how I'm able to blend my hair with curly textures that don't necessarily match my hair. So what I actually did is just thought of it like, these are my edges. I'm gonna slick my own edges down and it's gonna look awesome because this is what my edges look like. So that's what we did. What I'm showing you all currently is that you could wear the unit glueless and you wouldn't necessarily see the line of demarcation for the start of the unit because the texture of the edges kind of covers up that starting line. But I would recommend applying product to the edges first just to define the curls a little more so that there isn't a significant distinction between the two different textures. But if the edges and the hair texture were the same, like if the hair was kinky, then that would absolutely work and you could just wear it as is. And that would be pretty awesome. Now this time around, I decided to use my trusty bedhead spray over the Gossipy Glue gel because as I shared with you guys in my previous video like this, the Gossipy Glue gel, while it's good and it gets really tacky and it also lays the hair really nicely, especially for someone who doesn't necessarily want to use wig glue, I'd more so recommend the bedhead spray because it didn't leave a white residue. And the application process is actually much easier and it dries much faster.
I tell them again, they look at my wins, but I deserve it. It's me and my friends, we counting the ends and we deserve it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do it? I seen ya. All the years of grinding, it's just time and I deserve it. You see the way that I'm working, life was never just perfect. Now every day's my birthday and I deserve it. It took me time, now I just sit back and recline. Look at the sky, thinking like, wow, man, you made it.
Did y'all see how easy that was? After laying the unit down, now it's time to actually slick the edges. So I decided to try edge control first. And then I realized I don't even use edge control on my edges. Use gel. So I just used Eco Stylo gel and that did the trick. It looks so good after.
Steady rocking the latest that is made, yeah, yeah. Hang around with the greatest and I'm great, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody gon' say it, but I say it. I was just sick and tired of complaining. Now I live my life, it's amazing, don't you see? I deserve it, life when no was clever, now I see the picture perfect. Flying in the air, I don't deserve them, but I earned it, I got them calling me leader. How do you do it? I seen ya. All the years of grinding, it's just time and I deserve it, I tell them again, they look at my wins, but I deserve it, it's me and my friends. friends, we counting the ends and we deserve it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do what I seen ya? All the years of grinding, it's just time and I deserve it.
We all related, yeah. Life is good, so why they hate me? They throw the cap. We graduated, yeah. I'm used to it, so you know I had to settle in. My future bright light shining on my melanin. Yeah, gon' make a play, yeah. Just how you like it. Here go a taste now. Big dreaming, can't you see it? We stay shining every season, and you know I like it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I love it. Ay, running numbers all summer. We stay shining on the comer, and you know I like it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I love it. Drip like water with slice up lemon. Life so sweet, jump both feet in it. Doing it big, got big ambition. Bright, bright lights, how I like my vision. Trusting that feeling when I feel it. Running numbers all the way to $1 million. I don't know if they can see what we've been building, but you know we gon' still be in the building. Big dreaming, can't you see it? We stay shining every season, and you know I like it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I love it. Ay, running numbers.
Do y'all see how phenomenal this turned out? This looks so realistic. Y'all cannot tell me nothing. I was on FaceTime with my sister and she could not believe how natural it looked. Y'all, this is probably one of the most natural installs that I've done. This particular hair, the texture, the hairline, everything about it is so bomb. Iseehair usually does their thing, but they nailed it on this one. I was so impressed. Once again, I will have a discount code for you guys in the description box. They're also having a pre-Black Friday sale, so be sure to check the link below. I love you guys. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know what you all think about this unit. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Yeah, I deserve it. I used to crawl, but now I'm walking in purpose. Now every move I make don't scratch the surface. But look at me now, mama, she proud. She was around when nobody else was around. How do you like me now? Oh, I had to play a humble pie. Life can really just humble guys. Sky's the limit, don't look surprised. Life's for living, so look alive. Everything that I want, I gotta go get it. Cause I could be gone in a minute. And now I've been working so hard, so now I'm living. I deserve it.